Hello everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to Speak English Daily Channel, the channel where English becomes fun, easy, and part of your everyday life.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our respected listeners. I'm David. Wow, I'm excited today. Seriously excited. Because today's lesson, this one can make you sound 10 times more fluent if you practice it daily.
Yes, this lesson is powerful, practical, and honestly, a little bit addictive.
Addictive English? Now that's interesting. What are we talking about today, Anna?
Today's lesson is called Shadow This Daily to sound 10 times more fluent in English.
Shadowing. Oh yes, my absolute favorite technique. I shadow everything. Movies, podcasts, songs, even Google Maps sometimes.
Imagine shadowing Google Maps. Turn right. David, turn right. Turn left. David, turn left.
Hey, it actually helps with pronunciation.
You're not wrong. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to sound fluent because you copy English exactly how native speakers say it.
Like matching tone, rhythm, speed, mouth movements, everything.
Exactly. It's like becoming an English echo, but in a good way.
Okay, Anna, explain it to beginners. What exactly is shadowing?
Shadowing means you listen to spoken English and you repeat it immediately with the same rhythm, emotion, and pronunciation.
Oh, like when someone says, "Good morning," and you go, "Good morning," at the same time?
Yes, but you don't wait. You speak with the speaker, not after.
Shadowing is like dancing with English. If the speaker goes, da-da-da-da, you also go, da-da-da-da.
Exactly. And the da-da-da-da is the music of English, the rhythm. I once had a student named Aisha. She was shy, barely spoke English.
I know many people like that.
But she shadowed one English podcast every day for 20 minutes. 3 weeks later, oh wow, she sounded like a completely different person.
Really? What changed?
Her speed, her pronunciation, her confidence, her tone.
Oh, that's great. Shadowing is like giving your English a power-up.
Shadowing works because you're training your ears and your mouth at the same time.
Two birds, one technique.
You learn native pronunciation, connected speech, like gonna, wanna, lemme, natural tone, real speed, better mouth movement.
Connected speech is the secret. No one says, "I am going to eat." They say, "I'm gonna eat."
Yes, and shadowing helps you copy these natural patterns automatically.
One time, I told a student to shadow natural English. He said, "Sir, I shadowed a movie." I asked, "Oh, which scene?" He said, "The fight scene." I said, "Bro, not the punches, the English."
Imagine shadowing punching sounds like bam, pow, ah!
At least his sound effects were fluent. How to shadow. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose 20 to 30 seconds of English.
Not long, not complicated, just 20 to 30 seconds.
Oh, like a small bite-sized piece.
Exactly. Could be from a movie, a podcast, our YouTube channel, a speech, a story, an interview.
Step 2. Listen first. No speaking. Why listen first?
Your brain needs to understand the rhythm and emotion before copying it.
Step 3. Shadow slowly. So, speak with the speaker.
Yes. Not after with.
Like an echo with confidence. Step 4. Increase speed.
Once you match the tone, try matching the speed.
Speed is the fun part. You feel like you're acting in a movie. Step 5. Repeat for 7 days.
Shadow the same clip for a week. You'll see a huge change.
Wow. Shadowing is like going to the gym, but for your English muscles. The taxi story.
One of my students shadowed English news every day. One day, he was in a taxi, and the driver suddenly said, "Excuse me, can you help me find this street?"
What happened?
My student answered confidently, without thinking, without freezing, without,
Wow. That's the shadowing magic. Your brain starts speaking automatically. Real-life shadowing dialogues. Scenario 1. In a cafe.
Listen first. Hi, can I get a medium latte with no sugar?
Now, shadow with me. Hi, can I get a medium latte with no sugar?
Again, with tone. Hi, can I get a medium latte with no sugar?
Nice. That feels natural.
Scenario 2. Talking to a friend. Listen. Hey, are you free this evening?
Shadow it. Hey, are you free this evening?
Add emotion. Hey, are you free this evening?
Small details make English sound real. Scenario 3. At work.
Listen. Could you send me that file before noon?
Shadow. Could you send me that file before noon? Scenario 4. Motivation.
Shadow this line daily. I can speak English. I'm improving every day.
Wow. That feels powerful.
Here's your daily schedule. 2 minutes to listen. 5 minutes to slow shadowing. 5 minutes to natural speed shadowing. 3 minutes to emotion shadowing. 5 minutes to real-life example shadowing.
That's just 20 minutes. Anyone can do 20 minutes.
Yes, and after a month, people will ask you, "Wow, where did you learn to speak like that?"
And you can proudly say, I shadowed Anna and David. Shadowing will feel strange for the first 2 days. But after that, oh wow, it becomes fun.
And addictive. You'll start shadowing movie characters, then YouTubers, then random ads on TV.
Yes, because your brain starts loving the rhythm of English.
So start today. Start small. Start with 20 seconds. But start.
Tell us below, which line will you shadow first? Like this video, subscribe, and keep practicing with us.
Thank you for learning with us.
Believe in yourself. You're getting better every day.
See you in the next episode.